Hello, everybody. Jacob here.
And welcome back to day one still.
It's nighttime, and yeah.
This is our first day in Vlog. Vlog, is that right?
What?
Vlog?
Full?
Vlog.
Vlog?
Vlog.
Yeah, it's our first day still. I want it to be our second day. Please, guys, give me 1,000 or views, please, or views. I don't care which one it is. Just subscribe. That's what I'm waiting
I
for.
have someone else that can say hi.
Oh God.
He said hi, I'm on camera and I broke my arm.
Go away.
I'm Batman.
Go away.
Hi, my name is Robin.
Go away.
Hi, my name is Spider-Man. No, okay, bye.
Okay, yeah.
That's Spider-Man chewing Robin and Spider-Man.
I want to give you I want to give you guys a look at my Xbox. So let me unplug this.
How much percentage is it, by the way?
I don't know, but I don't care.
Yeah, guys, it's...
Guys, look at my Lego set.
It's gonna get it... Alright, I'm gonna turn this. Oh, it's not charging.
What?
Crap. Why's my iPad not charging?
I don't know if you can guys see this, but here's my Lego set.
We'll show you everything we have to play room today.
Yeah. I'll show you my other Legos. So yeah, let me get those.
I'm trying to build a roller skate, but I can't find a piece.
Yeah.
I have power.
I may build one right now, and you guys can watch. I'm gonna do a Lego video. Let me do that now. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna end this video. Bye. But I'm gonna make a Lego video right now.